Today, we are going to learn the front star. The easiest way to learn any of this work is to first learn it on our own body and palpate our own body so that we can find the points, okay? I want you to imagine a star pattern, horizontal line here and two lines coming up angled, and then from the shoulders, horizontal line and two lines angled down to create a star. Now, let's take a look at the energy lines of that star. It's going across our shoulders. It's going through the throat and the third eye. This is capturing all of the elements and helping to create structure in the physical body, while also supporting the stability of each element in the body. That is the element of ether, earth, water, fire, and air. Air is through the brachial plexus, the shoulders. Fire is the digestive system. Water is our second chakra. And then earth is our base chakra. But these ovals are all intersecting with each other. So this particular piece, even though it only takes a minute or two, is super powerful in helping our clients to hold the energy. You can do this on yourself and also to support your own energy. So let's start there. First is to recognize that the contact that we use to move the energy is two fingers, the air finger and the fire finger, and these are considered a neutral contact, okay? Now, let's palpate the body and actually locate these points. The first point is to contact the hip, right in front of the body. Your hip protrudes a little bit. You feel that bone. That's called the iliac crest, where I'm going to palpate that bone and come right inside it, and you're going to feel soft tissue. So go ahead and do that with me, okay? Second point is we're going to find the rounded part of our shoulder. Easiest way to do that, take a full hand contact, place it on your shoulder, okay? Rounded part, find right underneath as it rounds, and you go into soft tissue again. You are not on bone, soft tissue, okay? All right, now the next point is the clavicular notch. You're going to take these two fingers and just be on one side or the other. We are sending energy from our right hand to our left. We are sending energy up the body, so our right hand must remain below in order to accomplish that. Okay. Now, take your right hand neutral contact, go inside that iliac crest, and just hold it there. And that pressure doesn't need to be hard at home. This is a neutral contact, so light energy. It's going to move the energy very quickly.
If you like this video, remember to like and subscribe.
Once we place our left hand there, that's what creates the current. Is two hands on the body to send the energy. And when we do that, we're focusing on that energy moving right through that energetic line. So go ahead and put your two fingers at your shoulder joint. Hold it just for a second. And now cross to the right side of the throat notch. Excellent. And now we'll do the other side. Right hand to the opposite hip. Come inside. Soft tissue. The left hand, remember, keep the right hand below. The left hand up to the shoulder joint. Good. And come right into the clavicular notch on the same side as your right hand that remains below.
Learn more Polarity Therapy. Click the link in the description below.
Good job. We have just completed the front star pattern. Great job.